What Every Real Estate Investor Needs to Know About Cash Flow by Frank Gallinelli. Frank Gallinelli's What Every Real Estate Investor Needs to Know About Cash Flow is a definitive guide for real estate investors focused on mastering the financial principles crucial to evaluating and managing properties. It offers a systematic approach to understanding the metrics and calculations essential for making sound investment decisions, making it an indispensable resource for both beginners and experienced investors. Key themes and concepts. 1. The importance of financial literacy. Gallinelli stresses the need for real estate investors to go beyond intuition and embrace a data-driven mindset. He highlights that successful investing requires a deep understanding of the numbers that define property performance, including cash flow, cap rates, and internal rates of return, IRR. 2. Critical financial metrics. The book introduces and explains key financial concepts including net operating income, NOI, how to calculate income after deducting operating expenses, excluding debt service, capitalization rate, cap rate, a tool for comparing property values and gauging investment profitability, cash-on-cash return, a measure of the annual return on the investor's actual cash investment, discounted cash flow, DCF, and net present value, NPV, techniques for assessing future cash flows value in today's dollars, gross rent multiplier, GRM, a quick measure for comparing property performance. Gallinelli explains these metrics with real-world examples, demonstrating how they apply to investment decisions. 3. How to analyze deals. The book equips readers with tools to evaluate potential investments objectively. It stresses the importance of considering factors such as market trends and economic conditions, a property's location and future growth prospects, long-term versus short-term returns. Gallinelli provides practical worksheets and formulas to help investors assess whether a deal meets their financial goals. 4. Using spreadsheets and tools. Gallinelli encourages readers to rely on spreadsheets and software to streamline the financial analysis process. He offers downloadable resources, such as Excel templates, for calculating metrics like ROI, cash flow, and break-even points. 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. The book highlights pitfalls that many investors face, including overestimating potential rents, underestimating expenses, or relying too heavily on appreciation. Gallinelli advocates for cautious optimism and a focus on cash flow over speculative gains. 6. Long-term wealth building. Gallinelli emphasizes real estate as a vehicle for sustainable wealth creation. He encourages investors to prioritize properties with strong cash flow to weather market downturns and achieve consistent returns. Writing style and accessibility. Gallinelli writes in a straightforward and instructional tone, making complex financial concepts accessible. His explanations are enhanced by case studies and step-by-step breakdowns, making the book suitable for readers with varying levels of experience. Who should read this book? This book is ideal for investors who want to sharpen their analytical skills and ensure that their investment decisions are grounded in sound financial reasoning. It is particularly valuable for those managing portfolios or considering multifamily and commercial properties. What Every Real Estate Investor Needs to Know About Cash Flow is a practical and thorough guide that empowers investors to make informed decisions. By focusing on the financial fundamentals, Gallinelli provides readers with a framework to maximize profitability and minimize risk in real estate investing.